What do the surnames of our presidential candidates mean? The surname Lacson is a Chinese-Filipino family name that predates the 1849 Claveria surname decree. Just like other Chinese-Filipino last names, Lacson was officially recognized and allowed to continue after the decree was implemented. As a surname, it is descriptive of the birth order of the first person to officially use it as a last name. And in the case of Lacson, it is derived from the Fujianese terms lac and son, meaning sixth grandson. Thank you and stay safe always.